What is the biggest misconception that men have about female pleasure?
80% of women don't orgasm through penetration.
Hmm?
Men need to know this. The goal in a man's head today is, did I get her an orgasm? It's okay if a woman doesn't orgasm sometimes also. Use your five senses in foreplay. Moan with each other. Men don't moan. I don't understand why we women love it. Men, please, moan.
Men, women को emotionally turn on कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Giving her that confidence that she's not just a sex object. You know, when there used to be gentlemen who existed, you remember the gentlemen? जो
Another thing that men are doing wrong is expecting the same level that they see in porn.
You know why men are getting more lonely today? Because they're seeing too much porn.
Unresolved anger in men, can it lead to poor performance in sex, stress, anxiety?
When you are with a woman, you won't be able to perform. You'll have premature ejaculation. You'll have erectile dysfunction. Because it is not the same. Women are going to start getting lonely soon.
One advice you have for men who are feeling lonely right now?
I really think that men are ready to make changes right now. I have seen.
Men do not have any idea about female pleasure. A lot of men,
Yeah.
Indian men
Yeah,
especially,
yeah.
I don't know about foreigners, but Indian men are uneducated about female pleasure right now.
Yeah.
They don't know how to please a woman. They
Absolutely.
don't know what happens to a woman during sex.
know.
How do they experience? They just know what they have to do.
I know.
Like
I
you
know.
said, vamp.
Yeah, it's all performance
Yeah.
based now.
So, what is the
Absolutely.
biggest misconception that men have about female pleasure?
That the only way I have succeeded in bed is if I have given her an orgasm. The goal in a man's head today is, did I get her an orgasm? That is the only goal.
So that should not be.
No. It's okay if a woman does an orgasm sometimes
Hmm.
also. Like, to be honest, every single time, I'm okay if I don't orgasm every time.
Hmm.
But it's the process from the foreplay
Yeah.
to penetration,
Hmm.
you know how it goes. And one biggest thing is 80% of women don't orgasm through penetration.
Hmm?
Men need to know this. I'm not joking. We don't.
How do
Clitoris. It is.
It is the क्या word
Focus on
बोलेंगे?
that. Focus on the clitoris.
So
That
how
is
can
the
men
game.
focus on clitoris right now? What can you suggest them right now?
So I'll tell you what. A man needs to really go slow. Firstly, foreplay is not quick.
Quick, yeah.
I tell my clients, I myself personally, I ensure there's 20 minutes of foreplay before even touching your private parts. Your partner's private
So
parts.
how much percentage should be foreplay and how much percentage should be, let's say, penetration?
There's no ऐसा कुछ percentage नहीं है यार, but foreplay has to be long. After that, it depends on
Longer?
after that depends on everybody's stamina. So there's no percentage, but foreplay के लिए 20 minute निकालो. Use your five senses in foreplay. I keep talking about this. Our five senses.
What do you mean by that?
So your eyes. Let's start with eyes. Eyes is one of your five senses. How? Look at your partner. See them from not just their eyes, their whole body, appreciate it. That should turn you on. Number 2 is touch. Touch them everywhere. Feel their touch. Let them feel your touch. Number 3 is listening. Moan with each other. Men don't moan. I don't understand why we women love it.
Yeah.
They don't fucking
We
moan. And they are
Yeah.
enjoying. ऐसा नहीं है they're not enjoying. But they feel vulnerable if we moan. नहीं यार. Men, please, moan. We love it.
Directly.
Directly. I'm
Okay.
serious. So, and for listening is also how you appreciate your partner, right? Giving small compliments. I love that.
Yeah.
That was a great kiss.
Yeah.
Can you do this? Can you do that?
And even music?
Community of 100%. Music can be a game changer, yeah.
Then
From romantic to wild to whatever, you can go
A playlist.
crazy, an absolute playlist.
Okay, the fourth.
Smell. It's so important. So some people, I personally think that your ethereal own body smell is the biggest aphrodisiac. The biggest aphrodisiac. And it's okay. Sometimes I understand your body has bad odor and all. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा clean कर लो. But try to avoid maximum wearing perfumes and all because you're also
Yeah.
licking. There's chemicals going inside you and all of that. Avoid excessive creams and all. Just be present as it is, yeah. I mean, it's beautiful. And that is the biggest. Kama Sutra always talks about this.
And fifth is taste.
Fifth is
How about
taste.
that?
Licking. That's what I was talking about. That's why.
Okay,
It's
what?
so important. The kiss, the way you, how you taste each other's mouths, your skin, everything. When you're going down on someone during oral sex, all of this is so important, yaar.
They say na, there's a taste and there's a smell to every person, and that really connects to a partner.
It does. It does.
Okay, men, women को emotionally turn on कैसे कर सकते हैं? Not physically, not sexually, but emotionally turn on, because a lot of women prefer being emotionally turned on before
Yeah.
sexually turned on.
100%.
So how do they do that?
How does a man make a woman
Emotionally turned
turn
on.
on? By holding space for her,
Hmm.
appreciating her,
Hmm.
respecting her,
Hmm.
and creating that safety, that, and giving her that confidence that she's not just a sex object. This is the biggest problem today. Women feel that we are just sex objects for our man. He wants sex, वो आ जाता है, या manipulate करता है हमें. You know, he does something where women just feel like, okay, he's just here for sex with me. So they need to understand that space better. That, you know, how to treat a woman better so she doesn't feel like a sex object. There are
True.
ways to communicate your desires to your woman, which doesn't happen when you're in bed. All of this starts outside of the bedroom.
So true, because when a woman is in a relationship with a man, the things
Yeah.
that you say at a cafe,
Yeah,
that goes on the mind of the women when they're in bed with you.
absolutely.
So everything that you're doing in a day, it comes into the mind when you're in
It
bed.
does. It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. It's about also, and I'll tell you क्या होता है. You're a psychologist. You know this better than me. I know that. Men have boxes in their head. You've heard that thing?
Schemas.
They have different. Okay, this is money. This is work. This is family. This is sex. This is friends. They have boxes. हमारा सब mixed
Mixed
है.
है.
So
And हमें कभी भी कुछ भी सोचते हैं.
कभी भी कुछ भी सोचते हैं
Yeah.
तो हमें, so even we need to bring a little awareness. हम पूरा men पे dump नहीं कर सकते हैं. We can't dump everything on them. We also need to do some work यार over here. And if you have a good man who really loves you and he's coming to you with love, I know so many great men that I coach who love their wives, but their wives are not even letting them touch them. And it's not, and I know the woman has not lost the desire. She's disconnected from it.
That brings me to a question. When a woman is not wanting to have sex, even if she may have desires, what can a man do in that situation? Of course, talking about it, but
Couples therapy.
still.
ये नहीं होगा अकेले से ज़्यादा beyond a point. Unless both of them drop their ego
And talk.
hardcore and be like, okay, you know what? Enough, we're done. We need to do something about this. Then maybe they can do it.
Because at these times men feel like मैंने कुछ गलत किया है. I am not
Of
doing enough. I am
course.
not making her feel good. तो वो man guilt भी
I
वहाँ
am
पे आ जाता
telling
है.
you, if I have 100 clients, I'm giving you a hypothetical situation. 2 couple therapy होती है. And most of the time today, women are saying no for it.
No for couple therapy.
Yeah, because they are now thinking that he just wants to do couple therapy because he wants sex from me. I'm not going.
That's
I'm not doing any.
wrong.
It's so wrong. This whole pseudo feminism has also gone to another level. It's breaking people, and women are not understanding today. They're thinking they're very strong and they can do anything, and we're fine without a man and everything. ये शुरुआत है. They're also going to get lonely soon because companionship is real. You will need a companion today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll come to that question.
It will come. Sorry, so we'll talk
I
more in
will
detail.
talk about
Yeah.
it. Apart from foreplay, what is that another thing that men are doing wrong in sex with women?
Apart from
Something that they're
foreplay,
doing wrong and they need to fix right now.
I think the biggest thing that men are doing wrong outside of foreplay is against performance based यार. और कुछ wrong नहीं कर रहे हैं.
How?
Communication नहीं है ना. They're not able to communicate that I am not using you as a sex object. I have desires, because they are not able to become vulnerable in bed with their women. They need to become vulnerable in bed.
Yes.
They have to stop being the macho masculine who's just here to perform and, you know, because I'll tell
do
you.
their best.
I'll tell you why. A man's masculinity is very strongly attached to how he performs in bed.
Very true. उनका masculine ego बहुत ज़्यादा hurt हो जाता है
बहुत
if they're
ज़्यादा
not
hurt.
able to perform.
If they're not able to perform. So I want you to be masculine. It's great. We also want that masculine energy in bed.
Yeah.
But with that, if you can just verbalize that, am I doing this right? What do you want? How can I do this better? It's not just about the foreplay part. Talk. Don't just keep performing. And एक और problem ये है ना कि हम bed में, and this is for both men and women, both are making this mistake.
What?
We are expecting our partners to know what we want. अरे ऐसे कैसे? So I have clients who come to me after 3-4 years of marriage. Yeah, my wife or my husband, they're just not doing what I want in bed. Yeah, they should know by
तुम
now.
बताओ तो.
No, but the problem is we are also evolving.
Yes, our desires change.
Our desires are, we are getting more curious about new things. Now the world is also shifting into a lot of dark energy space, which is not healthy, I agree, but at least have conversations around it. You know, because अब वो दाल चावल लग रहा है ना हर रोज उसमें, अगर if you want to bring the spark back, that doesn't mean that someone is looking at you as a dirty or a sex object and they want to do dirty things to you all the time. These are conversations you have to be open to without judging.
I think another thing that men are doing wrong is expecting the same level that they see in porn. So
Porn
they
तो-
try to do the
porn
same
तो
thing
एक
or
section
expect
करेंगे
the
हम.
same kind of reaction.
Absolutely.
That is
Porn,
another thing about female pleasure, because female pleasure does not look like what it looks like in porn.
Nor does male pleasure.
Yeah.
Even so, I'll tell you honestly, I had this realization on my own. Okay, there was this one ex of mine, long-term relationship, and we decided to see porn together, you know, to see what's new and then create our space, trying to replicate something. It wasn't even 5% the same. It can't be. Because what I am feeling at that time, sometimes we act कि अच्छा porn में उसने ऐसे किया था तो I have to act like that, but you're not really feeling it because you've disconnected from yourself and you have now put yourself in the position of the actor that you saw in porn.
So that's not you, that's you trying to be that person.
You're replicating things from porn then, and that's why we also fake
That's
orgasms.
unhealthy.
It's so unhealthy. Half these people in porn, more than half of them are on steroids and drugs and I don't know what not they're doing. It is impossible for so much to really happen in real life. And so porn and sex and prostitution and women and men, whatever is happening, it's one of the top 3 industries in the world. It's sold so hard, so it's not even easy to remove yourself from that because it's right there. Social media, dating apps, kitna chal raha hai yaar? It's crazy. Beyond a point, it's very difficult to control yourself, right? But you can when you come back to yourself. That's why I'm not just an intimacy coach. I'm an intimacy and a
relationship.
self-love. No, self-love empowerment coach.
So is it healthy for couples to watch porn together?
Yeah, of course.
And
But
what
then-
about
But
separate?
create your own stories.
So some people think that watching porn, if you're in a relationship, is called cheating.
No, it's not.
No,
yaar.
right?
No. But it has to be done in balance. I want to normalize everything, but balance mein karo. क्योंकि see, something that is so easily accessible, you can't disconnect from it like that just easily. Balance it out.
And it really shits with your head because you expect a lot after watching that. You expect your performance as well and the other person's performance as well. Really?
Yeah.
Explain that
It's
to
a
me.
direct relationship into your own life. अब आपने porn देखा and you're addicted to it and you're masturbating every day to porn. Now you will feel lonely when you're not feeling it in real life, no? You're not getting that kind of touch in real life. You're not getting that kind of craziness in real life. And porn में आजकल लड़के क्या देख रहे हैं? I did a research on this. If you look at the dark energy space of orgies and threesomes and BDSM and all, 50, 60, 70 million fucking views on that. It's crazy. And now if you're seeing all of that, you're going to get lonely. Even if you're with your partner, she's one person, right? And imagine if you don't have a partner, you don't have anybody to touch you like that or experience that space.
Then you get more depressed.
You're going to get depressed. Eventually, when you are with a woman, you won't be able to perform. You'll have premature ejaculation. You'll have erectile dysfunction. Because it is not the same.
So performance anxiety or performance issue or sexual issues can stem from watching porn.
They are already stemming. I have clients, I'm removing them from addictions right now. It's madness what
That's
is
something
happening.
new. That porn is leading to men's loneliness.
Yeah, it's true. And psychologists are talking about it globally. India में
Hmm.
ये बातें नहीं हो रही है यार. There's a guy called Chris. He's amazing. I love him. He's one of the podcasters. He had this psychologist, a male psychologist, on his podcast recently a month ago, and I saw the whole podcast. He spoke about this. And then I researched it now, and then I started connecting the dots on my last 2 years of, coaching that I've been doing. And I was like, my God, even I didn't realize this until he said it.
So, what did you learn from that podcast?
About men's loneliness. Peace.
Just a few things
It
that you
was-
can share.
So there were 2-3 things were obviously porn around men's loneliness. Number 2 was how extreme pseudo feminism has gone to, which I mentioned before. But that is something I was also realizing last 6 months. So I was so happy that he mentioned that also, that women are going to start getting lonely soon.
Why?
Because again, as I said, companionship is important.
Yeah, I've heard that women are wanting to be more single right now. They
Yeah.
don't. They feel like I don't want a
See,
man.
I'll
I
be
can be
honest with you,
independent.
half of them are not wrong. We want better men. Now, these men are a product of the patriarchy and the ego and the narcissistic
Hmm.
society. They will also take time to change. Some are
Hmm.
ready to change. Not all, but some are ready
Some
to
are.
change. But they will also take time to change. So, till then, we're chilling in our space.
Hmm.
But for how long?
But it will cause an issue because अभी women चाह रही है कि मैं single रहूँ. I don't want a man. I can be single my whole life. I can have some boyfriends or something, but I'm okay. I don't want a man. And that is leading to men not able to find a woman.
Correct. So, sabhi
So
single
both
hai.
are lonely now. So what is that mindset shift that needs to come right now when it comes to men and women and companionship?
So, people need to know that companionship is important.
हाँ.
Beyond a point, अगर आपको single रहना है, you have to go to some mountain and Himalaya and live there and become a yogi. In the society that we're living in, it is very difficult to be single. ठीक है, you can run around, do a lot of things. You have money now. You can travel. You can buy things. You can join classes, make new friends, have one-night stands. But coming home to someone that you love, romantically, is a different emotion. You will start missing it.
But people are more scared of commitment then.
They are. And they should be today also. Aaj hai thoda problem hai, I understand that. So I'm saying that instead of this becoming even more extreme, we need to find ways to get couples together. And it's not just about men and women. It's about gays, lesbians, queer. It's happening everywhere right now. Lesbians are doing better right now more than anybody. Like, they are the ones who are not even faking orgasms.
Yeah. And women are more happier together.
They are.
Some women say ना breakup होने के बाद मैं lesbian ही बन जाती हूँ.
मैंने कहा है. मैं तो try भी किया है.
अच्छा.
Didn't happen.
Of course, that's
I
natural.
realized I'm too straight. Yeah, it's not a choice.
Yeah, it's
Let's
not a
be
choice.
honest. It's not.
Okay, men are lonely right now.
Yeah.
They are not able to find a good companion or a woman, and they're not able to get, because sexual pleasure is also very important. तो वो भी नहीं मिल रही है. So what is that one advice you have for men who are feeling lonely right now?
I want men to start genuinely seeking help. Find a safe space where they can be vulnerable. Learn from it, and then go to women in their pure masculine. ये जो अभी masculine बता रहे हैं वो patriarchal masculine है.
What is pure masculinity?
Pure masculinity is a balance of a masculine and a little feminine. Men have that.
Explain it in deeper sense.
So, okay, for example, when there used to be gentlemen who existed. You remember the gentlemen? You're gonna... like the true bred gentlemen who existed. Who could sit and have a conversation, who knew how to hold space for you. It wasn't just about holding doors and pulling chairs.
Yes.
That was a part of it.
That emotional space.
So I always say this, and I think you would resonate with this, that outside my house, I'm a warrior. I can take the world. But when I come back home to my man, I want to be able to remove that warrior
and
vest.
Be a little princess.
Keep it. And be a baby and a princess. Be nurtured. And obviously, I will also do the needful for him.
Love that.
We love that.
Love that.
Recently, I had a client, a beautiful woman around 39, 40. And she said, Shruti, I've been so masculine for so long. And she and her husband had a rift. And recently, they went on a trip. And she said that, I didn't allow him to do a lot of things for me, but in this trip, something shifted. This is because we've been in coaching for 2-3 months. And I asked her to start allowing some things back in her life. And she said, "Itni choti si cheez usne ki," he just helped pick up the baggage and all, and which I didn't even allow before. And I felt so nice in that. And I said, that's because you're allowing it again. You're allowing him to be his masculine. You are being your feminine. Okay, we can all carry bags. I understand that. But it's nice to see your man take care of you like that. You take care of him in your way. पहले ना roles defined थे.
अब नहीं है.
अब नहीं है.
तो women are becoming more masculine.
And those roles were also very extreme, by the way. I'm not saying those were nice. वो जो patriarchal roles थे ना, वो तो कि लड़कियां घर पे रहेंगी, खाना बनाएंगी, ये करेंगी, बच्चे करेंगी. Men will go out and earn the money and whatever. So those roles were defined, but it worked for our parents.
Ab
Now,
nahi.
ab nahi, because we are also becoming independent. But now you have to again redefine it.
Yeah, there's this saying na ki women are masculine till the time they find a good man. Before that, they're always independent and masculine. But अगर उनको उनका वो इंसान मिल गया, वो partner मिल गया, उनकी feminine side बाहर आती, they become a baby. And I have experienced it myself. So it's an amazing feeling, and every
Exactly.
woman wants that.
Absolutely, they still want it.
Yeah.
But for that, we both have to work, I'm saying.
Okay, we were on the topic of men's loneliness.
Huh.
So I have one question, that unresolved anger in men, can it lead to poor performance in sex, stress,
Oh
anxiety?
my God, I'm so happy you asked this question, pata hai? So this is something I experienced in my last relationship, which was 4 years ago. Good man, dishonest, but but good man. But what I learned from him is, now that man, like most men, didn't know how to communicate, didn't know how to be vulnerable, didn't know how to show his emotions. So uske emotions nikalte the in sexual intimacy. So if he was angry, he used to have angry sex sometimes, which used to hurt me. And I had to make it stop, and I did not allow it to happen. If he was too happy, there was happy and everything. And so the problem is, men reflect what they can't communicate
During
also
sex.
through sex, because sex is connected. People are forgetting that sex is a connected space. You will emote.
You will experience
Your
emotions that
blockages-
you're suppressing.
Blockages release ho jate. Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
Those blockages that are suppressed, they start releasing during that sexual intimacy piece. You cannot deny it.
So if you're holding on some emotions inside you, if you do not release them, वो अपने आप बाहर आने का
वो
रास्ता
reflect
ढूंढेंगे और
होंगे।
वो आपकी रिलेशनशिप को अफेक्ट करेंगे.
हाँ, of course. और sexual intimacy से ही लड़कों को आता है ये, how to communicate their good, bad, ugly side.
Okay, what's that one message that men need to hear right now, that I think that will really hit them right now, ki this is what I needed?
Yeah, I really think that men are ready to make changes right now. I have seen it. I have so many men clients, and they're not here coming to me because, oh, there's a girl who looks a certain way and she's talking about sex. No, they are really coming raw, that okay, I need help, I didn't have this space
They
to
want
talk
to be
to.
better persons.
They want a space to talk to. So I want men to know that if you come to us the
Women.
way you are,
Yeah.
coming to us with vulnerability and dropping your ego, हम हैं यहाँ पर आपके लिए.
Yes, women love that. Women love
We
men
love
who
that.
are vulnerable.
So do that more than anything else that you're doing right now, and you're golden.
Perfect. Okay, let's come to our next topic. I
Tell
wanted
me.
to talk to you about sex toys now, but not
Ooh.
in relation to just single. I want to talk to you about it in the sense of couples.
Yeah.
So should couples use sex
Yes.
toys? Is it healthy?
Yes.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से, तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी. तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.